All right, guys, welcome back to Oil Camp Creek. This is the downhill version of it. South Carolina, and we're heading down. It's a really rocky trail with a lot of large rocks on it. Oops, just popped my knee pads. Put that back on. Keep the knee pads on. One of the most important part of gear is your knee pads. I say first comes your hands, then your head, and then your knees. It's so much easier going downhill than uphill. Ooh, size rocks going downhill.
I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then maybe have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you, but I can't control the pain.
It's easier to ride going downhill. Haven't forgot about that tree across the trail over here. I have to jump. Must be around this corner. My feet are right. Whoa. Oh man, I reached down and undid my knee pads again. I have to quit doing that. That's not good. I guess it's in the... Alright, let's try not to pop your knee pads all the time. Come on, Molly. There we go. That's fun. Which thing, guys? Sounds like fun? Sounds like fun to me. There we go. Here we go. Woohoo! Whoa! That's good. Whoa! Creek trail. Hard keeping your balance on all these rocks bouncing around. Goodness gracious, guys. Whew. Rough trail. Even downhill, keeps you out of breath. Mama, you back there, baby? I hear you. Ooh. Oh. Legs are rubbery. Been giving them a workout on this thing lately. Down again. Woo-wee. Woo-wee. All right. Still going. Through the trees. Testing. Lord almighty.
Play with me like cats and a string.
Just turn it up today.
You don't understand the pain of pain. You don't ever wanna give me love.
like me.
You know I'm addicted to you, and it's twisted. You've been gifted with the evil voodoo. Got me coming back for more, even when I'm in school. Dolls full of pins, pierce my
Going down
heart.
is no fun.
I got issues in my head. I like you in my bed, but you keep me on red.
Oh, come on, Molly! Molly, come on! Snake! Come on, Molly! It's the black snake, I think. I didn't want my dog to get a hold of it. Come on, Molly. Whew. This is a rough little spot right here. Look at this. Whew. Did we come up this? Yes, we did at one point.
So if I play dead, will you regret everything that you did, that you said?
Talking about a little rough riding. That's some rough riding right there.
I feel like when I'm with you, I'm losing. I feel like you think that
Come on, Molly.
Sitting there gaslighting and confusing. Was it me? Is it me? Am I deluded? I'm the one who's always sorry.
I thought Bald Rock took it out of me.
Even though I offer all of the solutions.
Wow.
Love me like I love you.
A lot of big rocks through here.
When I'm alone with you, I never feel lucid. I wish I wasn't strong
Mama.
like Cupid. I wish when I saw you, I knew this. When I'm with you, I feel so useless. I feel diluted. My heart's been wounded. Silhouettes of you are like a tongue.
All right.
Never really know just what you want.
Woo.
With you, I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat
Oil
inside my palm.
Camp Creek. What a trail. It's going to take it out of you. Sure will.
You don't ever want to give me in. You don't ever want to set me free.
Oh, Lordy. I'm out of breath. That Gatorade sounds good in the car. These rocks are just everywhere. Oh. Judy. Yay, made it. Come on, Mama. Whew. She's back there. Oh, Lord. It's been a good ride. It definitely makes you on top of your game. Really hard rocks, hard hits back there, and non-stopping hard hits.
You can see the riding on the pavement. Young kids that growing up in basements. Online, a whole new generation. I'ma make mine, so you better go take it. Always they need a new replacement. Decentralized, can't contain it. We're changing lives, yeah, upgrading. Call it suicide of the older generation. What keeps you up at night, yeah. Make all the demons quiet, yeah.
Now these extra pads I put at the top of the unicycle will really help. Before, the unit was just bouncing around in between my calves, and with these pads that I put on it, it just holds them tight. It's really nice. Here's the mud hole again. Oh, mud hole. Get some rock. Tires are wet.
A generation fueled by creation. We live lives on a small screen nation. We control the airwaves, no negotiation.
Beautiful day in South Carolina. I'm the veteran Sherman Max.
And when we think that the world is too anxious, we'll adapt, evolve, survive, and save it.
Come on, Mama. The foliage is back on the trees. Wildlife is out. Especially the snakes are about. Beautiful out there. That down there. Oh. I can get you a good photo of that. ride. Whew. Got me a couple times, down a couple times. Had a great time. Electric unicycles are awesome. 25.4 miles. We started at 23, so only went a couple miles up. Such a beautiful unit. The Max, by far, is a climber. This Max will climb. Beautiful unit. The first wave of Shermans, they would not climb like this one. This one climbs everything. I haven't met anything it won't climb yet. It's a beautiful unit. Welcome to Oil Camp Creek, South Carolina.